Now we will start the ketone bodies. What are ketone bodies? These are ketone bodies which are present in our body. One is acetone, the second is acetoacetate, and third is beta hydroxybutyrate. Carbohydrate essential for metabolism of fat, and our fat is burned under the fire of carbohydrate. So carbohydrate are the necessary evil for the fat metabolism. Why? Acetyl-CoA formed from fatty acid can enter and oxidize in the Krebs cycle only when carbohydrate present. So carbohydrate produce oxaloacetate. Oxaloacetate only consume acetyl-CoA which is produced by the fatty acids when there is carbohydrate are present. So oxaloacetate produced during carbohydrate metabolism, they utilize acetyl-CoA which is produced by carbohydrate. During starving and diabetes mellitus, acetyl-CoA takes the alternative route of formation of ketone bodies. So ketone bodies production get increased during during starving condition and diabetes mellitus. So why we will explain the reason later on. So are known as ketone bodies, acetone, acetoacetate, and beta hydroxybutyrate. Yeah, 3-hydroxybutyrate are known as ketone bodies. Beta hydroxybutyrate does not possess a keto group. So it is not a true ketone bodies because it is does not possess a keto group. Acetone, acetoacetate are true ketone bodies because they possess the ketone group. Ketone bodies are water soluble energy yielding acetone. It cannot be metabolized because it is volatile and can be expired through air. Here you can see acetone. It is a volatile and can be expired out during respiration. Then we have acetoacetate. You have a keto group in both in acetone and acetoacetate, but there is no keto group present in the beta hydroxybutyrate. There is hydroxy group present. Then ketogenesis, acetoacetate is primary ketone body because it is firstly produced in the liver. Beta hydroxybutyrate acetone are secondary ketone bodies. Why? Because they are produced from acetoacetate. Site it is synthesized exclusively by liver mitochondria. The enzymes are located in the mitochondrial matrix precursor. Acetyl-CoA are the precursor for the ketone bodies, and these acetyl-CoA molecules are produced from fatty acid and hydrochloric acid and some amino acids. Ketone bodies biosynthesis occur in 5 steps. First, there is the condensation of two acetyl-CoA molecules to produce acetoacetyl-CoA, and this is happen in the presence of thiolase enzyme. Then acetoacetate change into hydroxymethyl-glutaryl-CoA in the presence of hydroxymethyl-glutaryl-CoA by combining one molecule of acetyl-CoA. Then this hydroxymethyl-glutaryl-CoA is changed into uh, this hydroxymethyl group CoA is changed into acetoacetate and is acetyl-CoA in the presence of a lyase enzyme. Then acetoacetate is changed. Acetoacetate may also be formed by the degradation of carbon skeleton of ketogenic amino acids like leucine, lysine, phenylalanine, and tyrosine. These are four amino acids which are highly ketogenic. Hydroxymethyl glutaryl CoA is present only in the liver, so this ketone bodies process synthesis process occur only in the liver. Reduction then beta hydroxybutyrate is performed by the reduction of acetoacetate. Here you can see the reaction. First of all, two acetyl CoA molecules are combined in the presence of thiolase enzyme to produce acetoacetyl CoA. Then hydroxymethyl CoA synthase take another acetyl CoA to produce hydroxymethyl CoA. This will change into acetoacetate and acetyl CoA in the presence of hydroxymethyl CoA lyase enzyme. Then this acetoacetate spontaneously change into acetone. Spontaneously mean itself. there is no need of enzyme acetone, and this acetoacetate can change into beta hydroxybutyrate by beta hydroxybutyrate dehydrogenase. Two high energy electron are given to the this carbonyl group, and this carbonyl group change into hydroxyl group. So beta hydroxybutyrate is produced. Then ketolysis occur in ketone bodies are formed in the liver but utilized by the extrahepatic tissue. There is no metabolism of ketone bodies in the liver, but in the heart muscle, renal cortex also utilize ketone bodies as a fuel if glucose is not available. But these ketone bodies are the main source of energy during long, prolonged starvation for our brain cells. So ketone bodies are only utilized there where there is mitochondria is present. Beta hydroxybutyrate is first converted into, so here you can see the reaction. Beta hydroxybutyrate changed into acetoacetate by the action of dehydrogenase enzyme. Then this acetoacetate is changed into acetoacetyl CoA by beta hydroxy beta ketoacyl CoA transferase enzyme. This will give the uh, coenzyme A जो form है, it will comes from the succinyl CoA of Krebs cycle. So acetoacetyl CoA changed into acetyl CoA, two acetyl CoA molecule by the action of beta ketothiolase. So these two acetyl CoA when utilized in the Krebs cycle, it will produce 24 ATPs. So around 27 ATPs are produced from one molecule of beta hydroxybutyrate. Then utilization of ketone bodies ये आप कर चुके हैं. Here you can see the extrahepatic tissue. Here the ketone bodies are utilized in the Krebs cycle and produce a lot of energy. Then ketosis. What is ketosis? The rate of synthesis of ketone bodies by the liver is such that they can be easily metabolized by the extrahepatic tissues. Blood level of ketone body is around less than 1 milligram per deciliter. Ketonemia, when the rate of synthesis of ketone bodies exceed the rate of utilization. The concentration in blood increase. This is known as ketonemia. When ketonemia occurs, this ketone bodies is filtered in the kidney and it comes into the urine. This is known as ketone urea. So the term ketone urea occur. What is ketosis? If ketonemia, ketone urea, and smell of acetone in breath occur, then this is known as ketosis. What are the causes of ketosis? One is the diabetes mellitus, and second is the prolonged starvation. Untreated diabetes mellitus is the most common cause. Diabetes is associated with the insulin deficiency, cause the accelerated lipolysis and more fatty acid are released into the circulation. So, what happens if there is no insulin? There is no insulin and glucagon level get increased, then glucagon level increase cause the lipolysis, fatty acid oxidation, and fatty acid oxidation will produce lot of acetyl CoA. That lot of acetyl CoA will produce ketone bodies. So enhanced gluconeogenesis restricts the oxidation of acetyl CoA by Krebs cycle since the availability of oxaloacetate is less. Finally, the acetyl CoA is diverted by ketone body synthesis in diabetes. So during what happened in diabetes mellitus, insulin is deficient, glucagon is high, there is a lot of gluconeogenesis, carbohydrate are restricts the oxidation of acetyl. When there is a gluconeogenesis, there is no glycolysis. So there is no production of pyruvate and oxaloacetate. So since the availability of oxaloacetate is less, then the ketone bodies go, acetyl CoA go into the ketone body synthesis. Then prolonged starvation also increase the degradation of fatty acid, which will produce ketone bodies, and that oxaloacetate channel to the gluconeogenesis. When there is no glycolysis, gluconeogenesis occur, that gluconeogenesis will consume all the oxaloacetate. So there is no oxaloacetate is present to consume acetyl-CoA, which is produced during the beta oxidation of fatty acid in starving condition. So high glucagon level favor the ketogenesis indirectly, not directly. Indirectly, high glucagon level favor the ketogenesis. The brain derives 75% of energy from ketone bodies under prolonged starving condition. In hypermesis, mean vomiting in early pregnancy may also lead to starvation, like condition may lead to ketosis. So in pregnancy, there is also possibility of ketosis. Glucagon ketogenesis during starving and diabetes mellitus level of glucagon is increased. Glucagon inhibitor glycolysis activate gluconeogenesis, lipolysis, and decrease malonyl CoA. So it will stimulate the ketogenesis. Glucagon stimulate the ketogenesis. High glucagon insulin ratio is ketogenic. Then regulation of ketogenesis, the ketone bodies formation, particularly our production, occur primarily due to the non-availability of carbohydrate to the tissues. The hormone glucagon stimulates the ketogenesis where insulin inhibits. This is how the then level 1 lipolysis free fatty acid are precursors of ketone bodies, factor regulating the mobilization of fatty acid from adipose tissue will also control ketogenesis. Insulin inhibit the lipolysis and glucagon favor the lipolysis. जिसकी वजह से there is an increase in a ketone body. Second factor, entry of fatty acid to the mitochondria. If there is deficiency of cat enzyme, then also there is a possibility of production of ketone bodies. In diabetes and starvation, glucagon is increased while decreased malonyl CoA and beta oxidation is stimulated. I always say when there is glycolysis occur, there is no gluconeogenesis. When there is gluconeogenesis, there is no glycolysis. Then oxidation of acetyl-CoA. When above two steps are increased, more acetyl-CoA is produced. Acetyl-CoA is completely oxidized in the Krebs cycle in diabetes and starvation. ये condition है. In diabetes and starvation, glucagon insulin ratio increase and key gluconeogenic enzyme are activated. So ketone bodies are favored. Production are favored. When oxaloacetate is diverted from gluconeogenesis, TCA cycle cannot function. If the oxaloacetate is consumed by gluconeogenesis, then there is no TCA cycle. Then if there is no TCA cycle, then acetyl-CoA go for the ketone bodies production. Salient feature of ketosis, metabolic acidosis. Acetoacetate, beta hydroxybutyrate are acid. When they accumulate, metabolic acidosis occur. Reduce buffer. These acids reduce buffer. The plasma bicarbonate is used for buffering of these acids. Then Kussmaul respiration patient will have typical acidotic smell, I mean acidosis smell, due to the compensation ventilation. So when there is acidosis, there is a lot of ventilation to remove the carbon dioxide. So we reduce the level of carbonic acid. Smell of acetone in patient is in breath. ये जो it will has a sweet smell. Osmotic diuretic mean these ketone bodies are osmotic. It requires lot of water to release from the body. So dehydration occur if there is a lot of ketone bodies in the body. Then sodium loss, the ketone bodies are excreted in urine as their sodium salt, leading to loss of cations from the body. Dehydration, the sodium loss further aggravate the dehydration. Hypokalemia mean low level of sodium. Dehydration due to more urination. Acidosis contribute to the little effect of ketosis. Diagnosis, detection of ketone bodies in urine by Rothra test. What is Rothra test? You use ammonium sulfate on urine, then you add sodium nitroprusside, and then you add some ammonium hydroxide. If color is produced, if color is produced, कौन सा color? Color complex is produced, purple color complex is produced during Rothra test, then it will show that ketone bodies are present. So estimation of serum electrolyte, if we have low level of sodium, acid base parameter, glucose, urea estimation, these are helpful to diagnose ketosis. Then management of ketoacidosis, treatment to give insulin and glucose. When glucose and insulin are given intravenously, potassium is trapped within the cell. Always monitor the electrolyte administration of bicarbonate. Maintenance of electrolyte and fluid balance is necessary during ketosis. These are the references. That's all. No presentation is open for questions.